In prime-time news this evening, Prime Minister announces tighter curfews for the upcoming Christmas holidays. Local government elections postponed. And impassable, blocked roads affecting lives and livelihood in Bloxburg, St. Andrew.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your views on the restrictions for the Christmas holidays?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.